I guess that's a landscape. Yeah, see, if you see it's Roblox, that's kind of like a Pokemon adventure. Look at there's those two people, cave thing, whatever that. Looks like that's a Pokemon Center where we get our first Pokemon. By the way, I wonder what that could be. I'm guessing that's our house. Where are her parents? I don't know, but let's see. Nice cutscenes. Get the clock. Get the clock. You can reach it. There you go. Okay. I don't turn on. Oh, wait a minute. I can't believe today had finally come. Today I got my first Pokemon from the Pokemon Center. I always dreamed of setting out my adventure with Pokemon. Mama said flashback. Woo. Oh wait. Side. Woo. Alright, enough flashback. There are so many Pokemon in this world. I hope to discover them all one day, especially Pikachu. Can't forget Pikachu. Alright. I better get going. I almost forgot. I need to fill out my trainer card. Now, you know it's Firecraft999, of course, but personally I'm gonna type in my real name just in case you wanna know. Awkward. Alright. Josh. I'll just write you Joshua. Alright, that is my name, Joshua, and enter. Joshua, did I write that correctly? Do you think I will not know how to spell my name? Alright. Awesome. I'm much closer to officially become a Pokemon trainer. Blah 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 blah. Now, this is me. As you can see, this is my character. I can walk. Yeah. I got my awesome Team Mystic shirt, and if you ever play Pokemon Go, you will always know what the right team is. Just if you don't know, look on my shirt, find out. Anyway, yeah, you can obviously on my TV, bookshelf. Let's go downstairs. Ow. That was strange. Oh well. Hey, nice, an Eevee picture. I always loved Eevee. Eevee. I want a Vaporeon. My Vaporeon. I need Vaporeon. Alright. Fridge, yeah. My TV. Alright. Let's get out. Hey, Joshua! Can't believe we're going on for Pokemon today. This day we dreamed since we were kids. I'm on my way to get to the lab to get mine right now. Oh, yeah, your parents wanted to see you before you went to the lab. I saw them pass my house, so they're heading towards the dinghy set. Hurry, go talk to them. I'll be waiting for you at the lab. Thanks. Bye. Alright, where are my parents? Where's the, I think it's up here, that digging site. Yeah, where's the digging site? Yeah, it's up here. Man, I want Pokemon. Well, that ought to stay here. We have to keep this secret, but I'm safe. You're right. It's too dangerous. I don't think we should tell anybody about this. Maybe we should tell anyone. Maybe you're right. Oh, Joshua, Starling, can you call me son? Hey, champ. So, today's the day of getting your first Pokemon? We're so happy for you, sweetie. Sorry we didn't meet you at home. We just discovered something in the cave next night. Archaeologists, your mother and I are working on it. That's right, but enough talk. Let's done the first time. this. Was it Pikachu? Tell me it was Pikachu. Mine. What is this? Pikachu? What kind of Pokemon is this? Magikarp or something? Please be Pikachu. Well, not Pikachu. Alright. Now you can obviously tell I'm a fan of Pikachu, but stop going around in circles, dummy. Sorry, excuse me. I try. No. Wait, that wasn't the right way. Such a dummy. Alright, there it is, the Pokemon Professor Lab. Over there is the Pokemon Professor's lab. Here's a Pokemon researcher stored in that facility. Cool. Anyway, now. Pikachu! You're mine! 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 Am I supposed to be up these bookshelves? Sup? Hello, my name is Professor Cypress. What, where's my mouse? Dad. Oh, there it is. Wait, what? There we go. Sorry. I'm the new professor in this town. I bet you're Joshua. Weird. Your parents were just telling me about it. You must be very excited to be getting your first Pokemon. A few things you must know about Pokemon. Pokemon are our friends. We grow alongside them. They grow and some cases evolve. And to transform, we battle with them. Your Pokemon will grow to love you and share adventure with you. Oh, that's cool. I never knew that before. Yes, and there's so many things we do not know about. That's why I want you to know a Pokemon that you would like to accompany with you on your adventure. You can make a choice from these 18 different breeds. Go ahead. Alright, we got Froakie, Fennekin, and Chespin, like from Indigo, not Indigo, sorry. XY. Oh, I like those guys. Keep those in mind. I don't know who those guys are. Don't know who those guys are. Don't know who those guys are. Kind of know who those guys are. Yeah, I'm probably going to pick between these three guys. Charmander, Bulbasaur, and Squirtle. The only thing is, now what to pick. Jeez. I love Charmander. He's also in my previous game, and he's on Charizard. And a Squirtle. I'm gonna pick. I will be picking. Please, I can't know. Think. Okay, Charmander I already have in my load game, so I think I'll cross him off. Bulbasaur or Squirtle? I think I'll pick. You know, I'm thinking Squirtle. Yeah, Squirtle. Yes, Squirtle. Excellent choice, Joshua. Your new Pokemon is so cute. Well, duh, he's Squirtle. Really, we couldn't pick a Pikachu or a Eevee something? That Pokemon definitely has potential in battle. I hope your Pokemon become best friends like we are. Alright, Joshua, and challenges await you. Let me give you one more gift that will help you along your way. It's a Pokédex. It's an encyclopedia that records what kind of Pokemon you encounter and capture. It'll also help me with my research of Pokemon. Also, if you like, you can come back at anytime purchase another Pokemon from my assistant David. Now, what are you waiting for? Go and explore the world. Yes, Joshua. Go ahead and have fun with your Pokemon. You need to stay behind here and talk to the professor for a minute. We'll meet up with you later. Okay. Hey, Joshua, wait up. Ooh. We have Pokemon now. Let's battle. Duh, I'm gonna win. Jake, really? I like Jake. Yeah, Jaden's next. Alright. Oh, yeah. Water gun. Let them do anything. Water gun. Okay, not affected the water apparently. Let's try this again. Tailwind. Come on! Jaden, watch. Yeah! Come on. Yeah! Come on, so close. So close. Jesus is dead. Okay, good. That did not happen with Charmander. Okay, yeah, that was kind of weird. Amazing. Yeah, you gotta go to nice fighting. Hey, let me heal your Pokemon. Thank you, Jaden. Sister, that's an excellent battle. Sorry, I watched you over this system with the professor. But I'm proud of you taking a minute to kind of Pokemon trip. So, you know, as you were splitting, so, we want you to know that supporting you as you explore road. Very careful as you are going on the first time. Don't forget the flaws. Yeah. Just, I do all the time. What would I forget? Joshua, we want you to give you something. Take with you as a gift to sell it. Mom, on this occasion, you're gonna make me cry if you say that again. On the plane. Cool. My cooking's bad. Made in another. When you look at it, remember, father, can't say that. To keep it safe. We're heading back to the house. The only thing is that we can find us. Well, that was really cool, guys. Oh, by the way, I have something for you. If we catch your wild Pokemon, 5 Pokemon. Welcome back. It works best while you're weakened. If Pokemon before throwing, it works best if you weaken the Pokeball before throwing a Pokeball at it. Only together a few things before set off a might. So the start training after we want to shut it down. It's a good place for us to meet up. Alright, see you later. Alright, I think our adventure just started. Yay! But I want to heal my Squirtle. The only way I can do that, some kind. Heal it. Hey, let me heal your Pokemon. Whoa, thank you. Jeez. Okay, so you might do this, but I'm saying, I'm gonna use waste all my 5 Pokeball on Pokemon I can find in this route. Sure, why not? But that's not my point. So each Pokemon, each different route becomes better and better. I'm gonna save my Pokeballs. Instead of catching weak ones, catching more stronger ones. Good luck on your adventures out there. If your Pokemon ever need a quick healing, come jump. Alright. Okay, first. I never saw Fleshling. This is Fleshling. She's XY. Squirtle, why are you so weak? Do not get Squirtle at home when you play this game. I made a terrible mistake. Squirtle. Charmander or Bulbasaur, huh? And level 7. Because I really like Blastoise. Water. Oh, you want to fight, huh? Interesting. Sure they are. Sure. Here, we can send that Caterpie, Rumple. No. Water gun. Yeah, that's what you're fighting. Alright, use your tailwind. Alright, take the tackle. Same thing for you. Got you. I got you. Another rump. Now, I guess I didn't really have any Pokemon. Yes. Haha. Yeah, now you're really easy. Yeah. You always want the most balance. Oh, yo, you want to battle too, huh? Yeah, check out my freaking moves. Battle. Pokemon is true. Just gonna send out. Yeah. Zigzagging, man. Take him out with the water. Better not delete my old game. If it does, I'm going to start Wait, how do you do that? Maybe I should get that. That's all. Zigzagoon. Okay, you're weird. Because you only have a Zigzagoon. I have a Squirtle. You got a Squirtle, Thomas? You got a Squirtle? Just look at you, Santa. Just love Pokemon. They're so cute. Yeah, but what about the ones? Deadly? Cash? Bunnelby, eh? Also from that slide. Squirtle, Squirtle. Squirtle. That's kind of stupid. This girl is on drugs. It's a Pidgey. Pidgey. Come out. Yeah, even Squirtle. Still my Squirtle. You're still one of my favorites. I need to train my Pokeball. Potion. Because in my load game, well, this explains the 5 Pokeball thing. In my load game, at least I almost beat the game, really. I think at least. And really, throughout the game, I only got 5 Pokeballs, which were the ones Jake/Jaden gave to me. So, yeah, that's why I'm gonna save it for Ultra ones. Like, I know, Pikachu, maybe. I don't know. Let's defeat this Flex Link. want to run. Stupid. Whatever. Let's go here. Joshua! Jaden, why are you stopping me? I'm going on an adventure. Got here as fast as I could. It's terrible this happened. You need to come back to town with me. I have no time to explain. Let's go. I don't care. Joshua, I'm glad you are safe. I am so sorry to want to tell you this, Joshua. But your parents have been abducted by the homeless. Not much is known yet, but it was suspected they were taken by a group of people known as Team Eclipse. See, Team Eclipse is an organization of people who are like Team Rocket, dun dun dun, and Persian, dun dun dun, and the Talking Meow, dun dun dun, and Ekans, dun dun dun, and Arbok, dun dun dun, and Coughing, dun dun dun, and Wheezing, dun dun dun. Okay, that's enough. Wait, a couple more. Inking, dun dun dun, pumpkin, something, dun dun dun, blah blah. They believe that people in Pokemon are not controlled, which is nice how to some extent. Also, they listen to they seem to do whatever it takes. Not know. To play the certain aspects of the day with their skills and their abilities. Parents are familiar with Pokemon and oh, so your parents gave you that necklace. That's interesting. Anyways, it's not safe for you here now, Joshua. You're staying with a friend of mine at at least until we figure out what has happened. You can't miss your house. It's a really roof. Careful now, Joshua. Don't go looking for trouble. Dang. Adopted by Team Rocket, known as Team Eclipse. Dun dun dun. Okay, so stop with the dun dun duns. Don't dun dun dun. No, I'm kidding. Oh, my Pokemon. Thank you. I don't have time with you. Don't have time with you. Don't have time with you. Okay. I'm not sure that's the fleshling we're gonna play, but it'll take care of it. Oh, I forgot about the dental guns. And and the boss and yeah, that's not really that bad, but okay. Let's go. Yep. Yeah. Alright, who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Come on, Route 1. Pretty weak. What's wrong with that? See, she made a point. Watch out, make sure your Pokemon are okay, good. Go. Chesma Town. Is that her? Oh, hello over there. Must be Joshua. That's what Cypress told me about you. He said we were going to keep it in while I figure out what happened to your parents. Well, my house is up there. Follow me. Oh, wait. Oh, I am going. Me in your home. I want to steal your stuff. Nice Pokemon up there. So your parents were taken by Team Rocket. Gosh, that must be awful. Yeah, because they're Team Rocket. Yeah, that's right. I bet you miss them. Do you have anything to remember them by? Oh, so they left you with this necklace. Tell me, don't you mind if I see it? Thanks, this is valuable. Don't you steal my necklace. Don't you steal my necklace. I'm telling you, I'll use all my wraith with Squirtle's water pools if you take that necklace. Hey, thanks. I warned you. I warned you. And so I'm coming after you. Don't stop me, Jaden. There you are, Joshua. Who is that person? Wait, what? You stole your necklace and my parents gave you? That was the last thing your parents did. I have to go get her and back. Started running. And then quit following me. I'll leave her there. I'm not just gonna destroy her Pokemon if she has any. I'm gonna destroy her with this. Yeah. Show me her. I don't want to deal with any gym battles, so I guess I'll have to go a different way. Please don't. Yes. I can skip trainers with my special ability. Hey, yeah, I see you over there. I see you. Yeah, don't think you can have for me. Don't think you can. I'm gonna find you. A couple trees aren't gonna stop me. Yep. Guess I'll have to be going the hard way. Oh. Who cares about thing? I don't want to fight you. Fine. I'm busy, kid. That's my defenses. Oh, are you working for? Looking for? The tuna, eh? Around this cereal. That's it. This baby cereal. Speaking of, I can talk about it. When to kiss the magic card. Yeah, you can get past the fences. Yes. I want a water. A metapod. It's gonna come out of metapod. I can find a squirrel. They don't even have a fight me. Fight me. Faster. Faster. I'm not gonna go easy on you. Pod, beat my water gun. Water gun. Water gun. In your face. Alright. 10. I want to work. Thanks. I will deal with you later. But to be honest, I need some new Pokemon, to be honest. Yeah, I do. I gotta catch this. I want this Pikachu. Withdraw. Don't want you to kill it. Don't kill it. Take a tackle. Don't kill it. I caught a Pikachu! Yes! Yes! I caught a Pikachu! I'm not gonna name my Pikachu. Bye, Squirtle. I'm barely gonna use you anymore. I'm gonna use Pikachu. Stammer. Okay, B. I'm gonna go to the Pokemon Center, and I think I need to heal my Pokemon. And especially my Pikachu, yeah. There's only one thing. I only have like 2 or 1 Pokemon left, so. But hey, it was worth it. It was for Pikachu. It was worth it. Oh, would you like to rest your Pokemon? Yes, please. Thank you. Let's check on my Pikachu. Oh wait, hold on. Oops. No. Menu. Pokemon. Yep. Look, Dad. Look. Yeah, Pikachu. 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 Yeah. Alright. Sorry, Squirrel, but from now on in battles, I'm gonna probably use my Pikachu. Just saying. Okay, let's try a water gun and then this doesn't kill him, I'll take it. Alright, guys. Maybe one more water gun. Alright, Pokemon and Pikachu. Come back. Go Pikachu. Yeah, yeah. Looking good. And Thundershock. Yes. Go Pikachu. I'll do better next time. Me and Pikachu are buddies now. Best buddies. Also, I really like Raichus. This will be kind of my chance. Really. No, I just want to beat this girl. Hey, there you are. I see you. I got a Pickleman. Oh darn, looks like you got a... Yeah, I got a Pickleman. It's my fault for it's dead end. Just put on suction. Hiding you in my only watch. So you know, there's necklace back, eh? Yeah, I told you I'm gonna mess with you. First I said, with the water gun? Yeah, now I'm gonna use a Thundershock. A Thundershock. Too bad. This belongs to Team... You work for Team Rocket. You work for Team Rocket. You're so dumb. A Pokemon battle. Let's face it here. Oh, it's on. It is on. It is on. Yeah. I don't want Squirtle. to the intense music. Almost done, yeah, yeah, be Team Eclipse. I'm getting my parents back. Yeah. Pikachu. Ooh, you could be a kid. Well, okay, I am a kid. In real life and now, but how did this happen? I'm a kid, dude. I'm almost as tall as you. Technically, you're a kid. Alright, that's really sad. But so mad at me. Fine, take your necklace back. Team Eclipse back. We always get what we want. Good job getting your necklace back. I wonder why she wanted your necklace so badly. So that woman, the professor, wanted you to stay with a while. Search his friend. I wonder if the professor, what kind of person his friend was. Anyways, it's clear you can't really touch anyone until your parents for you right now. If Team Eclipse really did take them, you'll need a strong team of Pokemon to beat them. A great way to strengthen your Pokemon is to challenge the gym leaders in Moria. There are 8 in Moria, and who knows, maybe while traveling, you'll learn more information about what might happen to your parents. Anyway, this gym and next time over, I suggest we start there. Don't worry, Joshua, we'll get your parents back. Now let's go. Nice. Winter time's fun. Follow me. Well, this looks good then. Okay. Yeah, that's bad. I only have 1, so I need to get a really good Pokemon if I only have 1, so I have to choose wisely. Huh? I really want a Ghastly, although we can see the creeps. No, I want a Persian or Meow. Either one of those I want. Won't give up for that. Won't give up. And look, it's a Squirtle fountain. Squirtle, Squirtle, Squirtle. Is that Starbucks? Starbucks. Starbucks coffee. Oh my god. Yeah, that's a bit of an Easter egg, I guess. Starbucks coffee. I guess Starbucks is now officially Starbucks. Now, before I go and challenge the gym leaders in Moria, I would like to do something first. Please don't be it. Champion. Oh, you're gonna challenge the champion. Right job. Right job if you want to champion. Thundershock. lot of time work to beat me. Yeah, it's gonna take a lot of work. No, wait, wrong place. Oops. Wait, yeah, I think. Oops, yeah, wrong place. Upward. Oops. Haha. Pretend I've never. This never happened, okay? Oh my god. Can I go back? I want to get a different Pokemon. Remember coming to no, yeah. Then I came through a different entrance. Ah, okay, I came through there then. I think at least. Yeah, this is where I came from. I'm gonna buy some Pokemon. And also kill mine. Although I could do that in the Pokemon Center, but you know, I'd rather fight. Boy. No, I'd just rather, yeah. Nidorino. You know what? David, my Pokemon. Wait. Never mind. Because didn't he say I couldn't trust them? Eh, who cares? As long as I get some Pokemon, I can battle them. Yes. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot to save. I forgot what? Oh. Oh. Yes. 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 No. No. There we go. I'm gonna buy, actually, I'm not gonna buy one of these. I'm gonna buy, Actually, between these, so Charmander, Bulbasaur, or Froakie, Chespin, and Fennekin. I don't think I want Chespin really. I'm not really a big Chespin fan. Froakie, I'm like, but he's kind of... I'm gonna go with Fennekin. I don't want Fennekin. Nice. Let me look at them. Come on. Great. Our Fennekin, Pikachu, and Squirtle. That sounds good. Fennekin. Alright, now to get back where I was. This might take a while. But I would like to experience a a sneak peek of the full version of my intro. You're welcome. It will be a work in progress, okay? Yeah, it might be turn out better than that. Okay, who are you? I have my Pokemon all pumped up for the battle. Pokemon with her eyes. Now I can't even move. Should we think twice about this gym? Alright, sorry. Sorry about that. Oops. Right. Dead student. Okay. What? Well, you're paralyzing all of my Pokemon. Beep you. Alright, there's only one Pokemon that can't be paralyzed. That's right, you can't. Thundershock. Powering up the Pokemon. Chill it. Well, I would run, but I can't. We're really doing no damage to each other. Yeah. I guess I'll have to lose some of my paralyzed Pokemon. Big Fennekin. Come on, you can do it. Ah! Oh, you're burned. Yeah. Yeah, you're burned, eh? Take this out. Oh. Okay, another burn. Leer and start attacking. Yeah, you paralyzed me. I burn you. And I'm level 6 already. Please don't use another. Did I win? Oh, well, sorta. Little Fennekin. I gotta be lookout because I don't want to face any more trainers. Because I'm on a really short limit of time now. I want to run for Yeah, you're probably gonna die soon, so. Yeah, I'm already paralyzed. I can move. I can two move. I'm already paralyzed. Stop using that. Stop using the same move. Oh, okay, same move. Okay. This out with a scratch. I'm already paralyzed. But I can't. Oh, okay. Again. Dun, dun, dun. To the ground. Ow. Down by the burns. Ember. Yeah, you burn. You're killed by yourself. Thank you, fun. I never saw my yeah, but mine aren't. So beat it, Brett. Oh. Let's run from this guy. This place does look great. I think this is a gym. But before I go in there, I'm gonna have to stop this video. But thanks a lot. Type in the comment section below if you want to play. If you want me to play more Pokemon Brick Bonds, then who knows? So anyway, that's enough I have. Thanks a lot. I got a Pikachu. Let's recall what I did today. Pikachu, Squirtle, and other things. And a Fennekin, yes. I did a lot of great stuff. And hopefully I do more great stuff in the next. But thank you all. And goodbye, my friends. Can I do